Hello everyone and welcome back to another Dollar Tree review. Today I will also be sharing with you a tutorial on how to use these products. I will be reviewing the LA Colors Brow Powder, the Be Pure Lamination Brow Gel Set, and the Be Pure Hydrating Lip Oil. Let's get started. We're going to start off with the LA Colors Brow Powder. This is a $1.25 at your local Dollar Tree. You get 3.3 grams of product. It is in the universal shade. This is a brow trio. It has two brow shades. It's one warm shade and one cool tone shade and a highlight shade that is matte. No shimmers. Cute packaging. It has star accents pressed into the brow powders, which is super cute. It's small, compact, perfect for your purse or traveling, surprisingly highly pigmented brow powder, and all three shades are matte. It's easy to use, it fills in your brows fast with minimal product because it's really pigmented. Product is a bit powdery in the pan, but not in application. No fallout on your face. And I'm thoroughly impressed with this LA Colors Brow Powder Trio. It worked really nicely, easy to use. The shades work for my brows. Cool toned, pigmented, easy to use, convenient, small palette, cute packaging. 10 out of 10 recommend the LA Colors brow powders. I am super impressed with this. Probably the most impressed I've been with a brow item in a long while at the Dollar Tree. Moving on to the Be Pure Lamination Brow Gel Set. Also $1.25 at your local Dollar Tree. You get 5 mils of product. It is with vitamin B. The set comes with a lamination gel and a styling tool. It claims to lift and hold hairs in place. It has no scent at all. The product looks like lash glue. This was my first thought, my first impression was this is lash glue meant for the brows. It's a thin gel-based setting product for brows. The product is in a plastic tube with a spoolie applicator. The styling tool is a basic brow grooming brush but serves its purpose. Product is easy to use. You just brush the product into your brows in the direction you want them to lay. Use the spoolie or brow tool to manipulate hairs how you want them to set. It's easy, it's simple enough, easy to use. Product is thin, it's not heavy in the brows. The brow gel sets incredibly fast. Like when you're brushing it through, like the hairs definitely stay where they're supposed to and where you want them to. The product does make your brows appear laminated and fully set in place. After hours of wear, the brows don't feel or look crusty. The downside to this product though is it does feel like I have lash glue in my brows. It absolutely does feel that I have like glue in my brows. My brows were glued to my face. The gel never seemed to dry down and it stays sticky all day long. All day long I'd periodically like touch my brow just to see. Super sticky feeling. That aside, overall, the brows do look amazing. They stayed in place all day, but those are just the cons I wanted to share with you, is that it just doesn't dry down. The brows stay perfect all day. I do recommend the product. It does work amazing. It is easily removed with oil-based makeup remover. Definitely recommend it if you like products like this and like your brows to stay in the same place all day long. And finally, the Be Pure Hydrating Lip Oil. Also $1.25 at your local Dollar Tree. You get 4 mils of product. This lip oil has hyaluronic acid. And if you didn't know, hyaluronic acid helps to moisturize and enhance the natural beauty of your lips. It's in the shade Sheer Nude. It has clean style packaging, a small doe foot applicator, no scent, easy to use, easy to apply. It goes on clear. It is a thin formula. It is non-sticky. The product feels more like a lip gloss to me than it does a lip oil, but that's okay. It is slow to absorb into the lips. It's a nice hydrating lip oil. It gives a pretty shine to the lips, and it's not overly glossy, which is okay because once again it is supposed to be a lip oil, but it still gives a really nice shine to your lips. It's very comfortable on the lips. You can wear this alone or on top of other lip products. 10 out of 10, recommend this. I would repurchase this lip oil in other shades as well. So it was really nice. Definitely recommend all 3 of these products. I had so much fun testing them out, trying them out, and reviewing them for you. I hope you enjoyed the review, found it helpful. Maybe you will try out some of these products for yourselves. Thank you so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more Dollar Tree reviews. If you have any other comments or questions on the products shown in the video today, please leave me a comment below. And don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional Dollar Tree links.